future floodlights. Pretty high. This is the light. Just need to push the wire inside the conduit EMT. Tie the light to these little holes in here. The bracket, that's the base. And that's it. And the connection. That's the view from front of the street. Now that the wires are ready, I just make sure to connect color to color, which this green is connect the ground to the ground, white to white, and the other one to the black. Fix the wires inside and put the cover with the gasket for waterproof, and that's it. The good thing about working here for those coming up lights is that the pool is going to ease the fall, and that's the view from the mountains of Calabasas area. So quiet, only the cars. I mean, not so quiet. Still can hear the cars and the freeway.